chocolate Sundae shots. That's right, boys. Sundae, Sundae, Sundae. All right, so let's make these. These look super cool. Oh, y'all see my little magic trick we just did? Huh? Did you see that? Okay, special effects, homeboy. All right, no, that's a CGI. No, it's not. Okay, creme de cacao. Okay, it's visual effects. Okay, come behind now with some coffee liqueur. All right. Okay, that noise you hear is Matt doing something over there while we're recording. Come follow that with some Irish cream. And now we shake, okay? Shake, 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 and we pour in. It's a cool mix, all right? Right to the rim, and it says shots on this. These really cool little mason jars. Look at you, you're so cool, so cute. Whipped cream, stick a cherry inside, cherry, and there you have it.